Hi guys, welcome back to Juice Guys. We had a little break. We all had the flu. Today I'm doing a cool experiment to teach you about germs.
So this is pepper and soap, or let me start
Spit
over.
it out.
Don't mess with me. So this is the pepper and soap science experiment, guys. It's so easy to do.
All you need is pepper, water, and soap.
That's right, guys. That's all we need. Very simple science experiment. We're going to jump right into this. So what we're going to do first is we're going to pour some water into one of these plates here.
Can you help me, please?
I sure can. Pour some water on your plate. Just enough to cover that bottom. Still a little bit more. All right.
You splash me.
I'm sorry. And then next, we're gonna put pepper over this. And I'm trying to minimize the shaking because I know it might make you sneeze. So lean back. So we're gonna shake some pepper.
Pepper.
All over the top.
Pepper.
Really good, really good, really good, really good. Okay, so next, what we're gonna do is, Nori, I'm gonna have you take one of your fingers and move it all around in the soap.
Like this?
Yep, you can get some more. Well, well, you did it. Did you see that? It kind of only works only one time.
What happened to it?
Okay, so what happened is the pepper sits on top of the water because of high water surface tension. So think of your hands being dirty and germs are just sitting there on your hands like the pepper. So if we add soap, just like when we wash our hands, we end up breaking that surface tension.
We're gonna wash these nasty germs away. Yeah.
That's right, and it will help keep you from getting sick. So what we're gonna do now, you wanna try it again?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna take this
Let's
plate.
get rid of
We're gonna take this plate, we're gonna move this one out the way.
It's clean. It's almost about to be clean because of that water.
Yep, here, let me dry your finger off over here. We're gonna take the next plate that we have and we're gonna put some water on this one and we're gonna try this with what?
I don't know.
We're gonna try it with glitter. So we're gonna use some glitter. So we're gonna do this again. Cover the bottom of this plate with some water.
Water.
So we can't see the bottom anymore. Let me slide this over. Got a little
Now
divot.
we need to put
So you're gonna shake, 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 shake.
Okay.
Some glitter all over the water on the plate.
And
As much as you like.
Shake, 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 shake,
Here, I'm gonna add some silver.
shake, 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 shake. That's the end of the song.
That's the end of your song. So let's see if this is gonna work for us. All right, so take your hands, swirl, swirl, swirl.
Boop.
You saw that? Wow! Cleared it out. You cleaned those nasty germs. You saw those germs just run away?
Yeah. You can get away with a lot of times.
All right, guys, that is it for our quick, easy science experiment today.
Make sure you guys wash your hands so you don't get sick.
That's right. Make sure you're washing your hands.
Make sure you guys thumbs up this video and leave a like. Did you subscribe? Make sure you go there and subscribe to Juice Guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!